Hi children, good morning Nana. Welcome to maths class. How are you? I hope you all are good and fine at home. Isn't it? Okay Nana, in previous class I completed that methods of multiplication Nana. What are the methods of multiplication? One is the column method, that is the standard method for multiplication Nana. And the second one is the expanded form method and third one is the lattice method. Okay, so we completed the methods of multiplication in the previous class and also we completed that multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000, isn't it? So once again we revise that multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. If a number is multiplied by 10, first we multiply the numbers, after we will keep 0 to the right side of the product. If when we multiply by 100, so first we multiply the numbers, after we will keep 2 zeros to the right side of the product. Let us take one number 25 into 100. So multiply first these numbers 25 ones are 25 and keep 2 zeros to the right side of the product. Okay, the same 25 into 10, same number 25 and we will keep 0 to the right side of the product. The same number is multiplied by 1000 and we get the 25 and keep these 3 zeros to the right side of that number. Okay ma? And now 25 into 10,000, same. So 25 and we'll keep 4 zeros. Okay ma? So 2,50,000. So like this we will multiply the numbers by 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Okay? If we multiply the multiples of 10 or multiples of 100 like that. See, let us take 53 into 20. How can you multiply children? As first you multiply the numbers. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10 and we will keep this 0 to the right side of this number. Okay, or 45 into 400. How can you multiply these numbers? Yes, first you multiply this number. So keep these 2 zeros as is. Now you multiply by 4. 4 5s are 20, 2 in hand, 0 is down, 4 4s are 16, 17, 18. Okay, now this is 18,000. Is it clear to you Nana? Okay, like this we will multiply the multiples of 10. So now all of you open your maths textbook Nana, page number 49, mental maths problems is given Nana. So all of you open page number 49 in your textbook, mental maths, 128 into 10. See ma, mental maths. So 128, 10, 128 into 100, 128 into 1000, 128 into 10,000. See here the same number will write and we keep to 1 0. Here also 128 and keep 2 zeros. 128 ones are 128 and we'll keep 3 zeros to the right side of the product. 128 and we'll keep 4 zeros to the right side of the product. Okay Nana? So my dear children, complete these blanks in your textbook Nana. Page number 49. As note down in your textbook. Now all of you open your maths CWs. Open your maths CW Nana. Exercise 3B. Exercise 3B. So today I am going to start exercise 3B. Open your classwork and keep exercise 3B. Exercise 3B. The first one. Write down along with me children. Multiply the following numbers. Multiply the following numbers by 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So multiply the following numbers by 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. The first one, A we can do, ma. A you can do yourself, Nana. It's a very simple problem. So I will explain 23. So now we have to multiply this number by 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Come on, write down 23 into 10, 23 into 100, 23 into 1000, 23 into 10,000. Okay? So we'll write the same number 23 and we keep 0 to the right side of the product. Here also 23 and we'll keep 2 zeros. 23 and we'll keep 3 zeros. 23 and we keep 4 zeros. Okay? So 230, 2300, 23,000 and 2,30,000. Okay, ma? Note down in your classwork. Now you can do the homework A. All of you put the tick mark homework A, C, A, C, E. So first Roman A, C, E problems homework HW. First Roman A, C, E problems. These 3 problems you can do in the homework book. Same asterisk only, Nana. Okay? Now D. Can I rub this one, children? Yes. D, Seema. 41. So multiply by 10. 41 ones are 41 and we'll keep 0. 41 into 100. 41 and we'll keep 2 zeros. 41 into 1000. 41 and we'll keep 3 zeros. 41 into 10,000 equal to 41 and we will keep 4 zeros. So it is 4,10,000. Okay, ma? Note down in your classwork, children. Now same model F also. F problem 84. So 84 into 10, 840. 84 into 100, we'll write 84 and we'll keep 2 zeros, 8,400, 84 into 1000, 3 zeros, 84 into 10,000, it is 8,40,000. Okay, ma? Note down in your classwork neatly, children. So you have to do A, C, E problems in the homework book, Nana. Okay? Now, second Roman. Solve the following. Can I rub this one? Solve the following. Solve the following. A 23 into 20. So it's very, very easy, Nana. First you multiply the numbers. Multiply these numbers. 23 into 2 equal to 46. So 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So 46, 0. Okay, 460. Next, 1325 multiplied by 4000. So first we multiply the numbers. First we multiply the given numbers. 1325 into 4. Okay, ma? See here. 4 5s are 20. 4 2s are 8 plus 2 10. 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13. 1 in hand, 3 is down. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. So 5300. Now we'll write 5300 and keep 3 zeros. So it becomes 53 lakhs. Okay, ma? So first you multiply the numbers. 1325 into 4. then we'll get the 5300. Later we'll keep 3 zeros to the right side of the product. Okay? Now, next problem. So 300, see 5123 into 300. See ma? First we multiply. So write first 5123 into 3. So answer equal 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Okay. Now add 2 zeros. Adding. So 2 zeros. Those who can't understand, you write the steps also. Adding 2 zeros to its right. To its right gives, okay, 2 zeros. So 15,36,900. Therefore, 5123 into 300 equal to 15,36,900. Okay, Nana? If you know this one how to do, then you need not to write the steps. Otherwise, if you can't understand, write the step also. Okay? So if any number is multiplied, the multiples of 100, first you multiply the numbers. That means 5123 into 3. So after you adding these 2 zeros to its right. So gives 15,36,900. Therefore 5123 into 300 equal to 15,36,900. Okay ma? In first problems I done directly, Nana. So if you can't understand, write the step also. Okay? That's your choice. And next one. D. Note down D ma. 143 into 20. So first we multiply the numbers. 143 into 2. Multiply 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. Now adding 1 0, to its right. To its right gives 2860. Okay? Adding 10 to its right gives 2860. Therefore, 143 into 20 equal to 2860. Is it clear to you, children? If a number is multiplied by 20, 30, 40, so first you multiply the numbers. Later you add 10 to the right side of the product. Okay? And next problem. E. 2134 into 50. Same. First you multiply the numbers. 2134 into 5. So 5 4s are 20. 2 in hand, 0 is down. 5 3s are 15, 16, 17. 1 in hand, 7 is down. 5 1s are 5 plus 1, 6. 5 2s are 10. Okay? Now here 10 is there. So you should add. Adding 10 to its right gives, come on, if you keep 10 here, we'll get 1,06,700, isn't it? So therefore, okay ma? So therefore, 2134 into 50 equal to 1,06,700. Finish. Note down in your classwork. Now exercise 3B is over, Nana. Now write down multiplication by 2 and 3 digit numbers. Write the classwork neatly. Keep the side heading, all of you. Multiplication by multiplication by 2 and 3 digit numbers. 2 and 3 digit numbers. So let us now learn how large numbers can be multiplied by 2 and 3 digit numbers using different methods of multiplication. Okay, ma? First I will explain. Example. 5182 into 43. Okay, Nana? First method. Column method I will explain first. So first you have to arrange the numbers by giving some gap between the digits. Now we'll keep this into outside and we will write 43 here. Okay? So first you multiply from ones place digit. What's the ones place here? 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 8s are 24. So my dear children, watch the video carefully. How I will do this multiplication. Watch it and you also practice same like that. So here the 2 digit number, Nana. So first multiply by ones place digit. Here 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 8s are 24. 2 in hand, 4 is down. So you also keep that number in your hand, children. Okay. Then 3 1s are 3, 4, 5. Next 3 5s are 15. No number to carry, so write 15 down itself. Now we completed the ones place. We start with the tens place, so that we should keep 0 in the ones place. 4 2s are 8. 4 8s are 32. If you learn the tables perfectly, then only we can do the multiplication easily, children. Okay, ma? 4 8s are 32. 3 in hand, 2 is down. 32. 32. 4 1s are 4. 5 6 7. Next 4 5s are 20. So 2 0. Now we add these products. 6 4 plus 8. Take 4 fingers. 8 after 9 10 11 12. So 1 in hand, 2 is down. 1 finger, 5 is there, Nana. 5 after 6. 6 in the mind, take 2 fingers. 6 after 7 8. Now 5 plus 7, take 5 fingers. 7 after 8 9 10 11 12. 12 means 1 in hand, 2 is down. This 1 plus 1, 2 and here 2. So answer is 2,22,826. So my dear children, note down this problem in your classwork. Keep the side heading multiplication by 2 and 3 digit numbers. Example, this one column method. What is this? Column method. Note down in your classwork. Now expanded form, expanded method. Can I rub this one, children? Okay, expanded method. Expanded method. Expanded method. So here we'll write we can write that 5,182 into 43 is written as 5,182 into 43. We can written as 40 plus 3, Nana. 40 plus 3. Now we multiply this 5,182 into 40. 5,182 into 3. So multiply this by 4, Nana. 4 2s are 8. 4 8s are 32. 3 in hand, 2 is down. 4 1s are 4. 5 6 7 and 4 5s are 20. Finish. Now and we'll keep 0 to the right side. Now 3 2s are 6. You write under the ones place. 3 8s are 24. 2 in hand. 4 is down. 3 1s are 3. 4 5. Right under the hundreds place. 3 5s are 15. Finish. Now you add these products. 6 8 plus 4 12. 1 in hand. 2 is down. Take one finger, 2 after 3. 3 in the mind, take 5 fingers, 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 plus 5, 12. 1 in hand, 2 is down. 1 plus 1, 2 and 2. So it is 2,22,826. Okay, ma? In expanded form method also, we get the same answer only. So 5,182 into 43. So we can write 5,182 into 43 can be written as 40 plus 3. Now we multiply 5,182 into 40. 5,180 into 3. Now you add this product. Therefore 5,182 into 43 is equal to 2,22,826. Okay, this is the answer. Next, is it clear to you, Nana? Just only here we do the multiplication by expanding the multiplier. Multiplier can be written as 40 plus 3. So that first you multiply these two numbers. 5,182 into 40. 5,182 into 3. Now you add these products, then we get the answer. Okay, ma? 5,182 into 43 equal to 2,22,826. Is it clear to you, children? Okay, note down in your classwork, ma. And now lattice method. Same problem. I'll explain one more method, that is lattice method, already explained in the previous class. So those who can't understand, watch the video carefully, ma. Lattice method. So first you have to check it, Nana, multiplicand 4 digits. So we draw the 4 boxes. and multiplier is 2. So 5182. 5182. Here we write 43. Okay. So multiplicand is 4 digits, Nana. So we make as a 4 columns and 2 rows. This is the column, Nana. Okay, 4 columns, 2 rows. Now you cross like this, my divide. Okay. Now multiply by 4 first. 4 2s are 8. So there is no number. So we will keep 0, 8. 4 8s are 32. 3 up, 2 down. 4 1s are 4. Only down, 0. 4 5s are 20. 2, 0. Finish. Okay. Now multiply by 3. 3 2s are 6. 0, 6. 3 8s are 24. 2, 4. 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. Okay. After multiplication, you add the rectangular numbers. Okay. What is there here? 6. Now you add these numbers in rectangular box. So if you take like this is a rectangle shape only, Norma. Add 8 plus 4, 12. 8 in the mind, take 4 fingers, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. So 1, 2. Now take 1 finger, 2 after 3, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. Okay. Now 3 plus 4. Take 3 fingers, 4 after 5, 6, 7. 7 in the mind, take 5 fingers, 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 in hand, 2 is down. Take 1 plus 1, 2. Here this number is 2. Now we have to arrange these numbers. So 5182 into 43 equal to, start from the left side, Nana. 2, 2, 2, 8, 2, 6. 2,22,826. So in this method also we get the same answer. Okay, ma? So 2,22,826. Okay. So 2,22,826. So it's a very, very easy method, children. First you see the multiplicand. How many digits are there? 4 digits. So you make the 4 columns, and multiplier having 2 digits. So make the 2 rows. Now you write the numbers up, this side down. Now you have to make the boxes, divide like this, corners. Now multiply by 4 first. 4 2s are 8. Here there is no number, so keep 8 down. 4 8s are 32 means 3 up, 2 down. 4 1s are 4. 4 5s are 20. Next 3 2s are 6. There is no number, so keep 0. 3 8s are 24. 2 4. 3 1s are 0 3. 3 5s are 15. Now you add the rectangular number. In this box 6 only. Here 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 12. 1 in hand, 2 is down, or otherwise you write the 1 up. Next number 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 3 8. 3 plus 4 7. 7 plus 5 12. 1 in hand, 2 is down. That 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Okay. Here 2 only. Now we arrange these numbers from the left to right. Okay. 2,22,826. Note down in your classwork neatly, children. Okay. Now example 2, Nana. Example 2, we do both lattice method and column method. Example 2. So multiply 1532 with 467. So 3 digit number, Nana. Now we'll do the multiplication by 3 digit number. Okay, first we'll do lattice method. So how many digits are there in the multiplicand? Yes, 1532. So make the 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. And multiplier is 1532, finish. Multiplier is having 3 digits, Nana. So 1 row, second row, third row. Multiplier 4, 6, 7. Okay, ma? Multiplicand so that we make 4 columns and 3 rows. After that, you divide the boxes at corner place. Okay, ma? See this corner to corner, corner to corner, corner to corner. Next, corner to corner. After you multiply by first 4. 4 2s are 8. There is no number, keep 0, 8. 4 3s are 12, 1, 2. All of you write along with me, Nana, that it can be easily understand. 4 5s are 20, 2, 0. 4 1s are 4. Sorry, I'll make as 0, 4. Okay, ma? Now 6 2s are 12, 1, 2. 6 3s are 18, 1, 8. 6 5s are 30, 3, 0. 6 1s are 6, 0, 6. Okay, na? Now multiply by 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21, 2, 1. 7 5s are 35, 3, 5. 7 1s are 7. Finish. Now you add the rectangular numbers. This one 4 only. Here 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. Finish. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 8 17. Take 8 fingers. Take 8 fingers, 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 in the mind. Take 2 fingers, 17 after 18, 19. 19 plus 5, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Yes, 2 in hand, 4 is down. Now 2 plus 2, 3, 4. 4 in mind, take 1 finger, 4 after 5. Take 3 fingers, 5 after 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 7. Take 7 fingers, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1 in hand, 5 is down. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 in the mind, take 3 fingers, 2 after 3, 4, 5. 5 in the mind, take 6 fingers, 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 in hand, 1 is down. Take 1 finger, 2 after 3. 3 in the mind, take 4 fingers, 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. Here there is no number, so we will keep 0 only. Now you have to arrange from left side to right side. Therefore, 1532 32 into 467 equal to 71544. So the left side 0 has no value, Nana. So I start from this 71544. That means 7,15,444. Okay, now I will explain column method. So this is the standard method for multiplication. Column method. Okay, ma? So here we will write 1532 into we will write 4, 6, 7. So first you multiply by 7. Okay. 7 2s are 14. So 1 in hand, 4 is down. 7 3s are 21 plus 1, 22. 2 in hand, 2 is down. 7 5s are 35, 36, 37. 3 in hand, 7 is down. 7 1s are 7, 8, 9, 10. Finish. Okay. I think this space is not enough further. So I will move these numbers. Can you see the board, children? Yes. So 14, 22, 37. Okay, finished. Now we start from the tens place. So we'll keep 0 in the ones place. 6 2s are 12. 1 in hand, 2 is down. Write 2 under the tens. 6 3s are 18 plus 1 19. 1 in hand, 9 is down. 6 5s are 30 plus 1 31. 3 in hand, 1 is down. Now 6 1s are 6 7 8 9. Now we start from the hundreds place so that you keep zeros in the ones and tens places. Start that is it from the hundreds place. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 1 in hand, 2 is down. 4 5s are 20 plus 1 21. 2 in hand, 1 is down. 4 1s are 4 5 6. So my dear children, you have to arrange the numbers carefully, Nana. Number down number. Later we add all these products. Okay, ma? So 4 7 plus 9. 7 in the take 7 fingers. 9 after 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. 16 in the mind. Take 8 fingers. 16 after 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24. Okay, so 2 in hand, 4 is down. 2 plus 1. Take 2 fingers, 1 after 2, 3. 3 in the mind, take 2 fingers, 3 after 4, 5. Now, 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 1 in hand, 1 is down. 1 plus 6, 7. So, answer is 7,15,444. So, see here, this answer, same answer only we got. Okay, ma? This is lattice method and that is column method. But usually we have to follow this method only, Nana. So, those who are interested, you have to learn this method and do like this. Okay, ma? Is it clear to you, children? So, my dear children, I hope you understand the today's class. Wait, ma. I hope you understand the today's class. You have to practice these multiplications in the rough book, Nana. And exercise 3B, I gave some homework, no, Nana. That one you do in the homework book. Okay? So, we'll continue tomorrow, Nana. Bye, children. Take care of yourself.